Think of your body as a house. Foundation, walls, plumbing, heat and air conditioning. All of these systems need to be working, or else you have a problem. The same is true with your body. Your foundation is your DNA, the DNA within your own stem cells. Stem cells that start strong, like a good foundation, but become weaker and damaged over time. It might start as small cracks, barely visible, but ignore it and you're going to have a problem down the road. Your heating and air conditioning. It's your circulatory system. It's what brings precious oxygen and nutrients to your cells. And just like air filters get dirty and clogged, so do your arteries. And of course, your plumbing. No one wants to talk about it, but it's very important. And like a house, the last thing you want to break is the plumbing. Because if you can't absorb nutrients and expel toxins, you are going to have a very bad day. Walls? Well, without them, you'd be attacked on every level. Exposed. Vulnerable. Your walls are your immune system, your first line of defense. So how can you fortify, repair, and maintain these systems in your body? A healthy diet, exercise, and a positive attitude are not enough. Why? Today we are bombarded with pollution, toxins, disease, and stress, all working against you and your body every minute of every hour of every day. But there is a solution, a secret that Hollywood elites know, that doctors and scientists swear by, and is now available to you. Introducing Refive. Packaged for convenience and on-the-go use, Refive is the answer for excellent cellular regeneration, optimal circulation, effective digestion, and a strong immune system. Everything you need in one packet, including our flagship product, Laminine, the foundation. Laminine is a proprietary combination of fertilized avian egg extract, marine proteins, and phytoproteins that provide your stem cells with the ability for optimal cell regeneration. It's also very important for your stem cell DNA nutrition. How so? The DNA in your stem cells is protected by what we call a telomere, a cap on the end of your DNA, similar to a plastic cap on the end of a shoelace, which prevents it from unraveling. As you age, this cap becomes shorter and shorter. It disables your stem cells from engaging in cellular repair, which causes your body to age faster. The egg biofactors found in Laminine have been proven to protect your DNA from accelerated aging by lengthening your telomeres. The result? Increased energy, restful sleep, stabilized blood sugar levels, and reduced joint discomfort. Next is Omega-3 Plus, your heating and cooling system. Omega-3 Plus contains the highest quality source of all 3 omega fatty acids, 3, 6, and 9, plus CoQ10 extended release, vitamin K2, and our proprietary fertilized avian egg extract. You'll feel invigorated as your blood vessels send vital oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and other organs. Studies have shown that taking Omega-3 Plus and Laminine together help maintain healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Improve your overall circulatory health with Omega-3 Plus for a more robust heart, optimal brain function, and strong bones. And for the plumbing, Digestive 3 Plus is an effective combination of probiotics, prebiotics, and enzymes to balance the good and bad bacteria in your intestines. It takes what you eat, absorbs the nutrients for energy, and eliminates the bad stuff your body doesn't need through waste. It's simple, really. The better the digestion, the better delivery, the better you will feel. Digestive 3 Plus improves colon health by strengthening the integrity of the lining of the colon, breaking down food particles to ensure regularity, and supporting your metabolism for an ideal weight. Last, but definitely not least, Immune 3 Plus, the walls and roof of your house. Immune 3 Plus offers a triple shield of protection from the outside forces. It's comprised of a unique blend of vitamin C called Life C Blend. The OptiShield blend contains 2 types of immune-protecting mushrooms. And finally, the herb and botanical blend is full of powerful antioxidants from berries and pomegranate. These 3 blends have been shown to work together to boost your body's production of white blood cells and T cells. The formula reaches your immune cells faster and stays in the bloodstream longer for 24-hour protection. It's also proven to defend against airborne viruses and bacteria, fight inflammation and boost immune response. Think about it. Your home, just like your body, is an investment. As it ages, it can either retain its value and worth or depreciate. People taking Refive showed significant improvements in cholesterol nutrition, triglyceride maintenance, sugar maintenance, and stabilized cortisol levels. Choose to fortify and maintain a healthy body with Refive and its no-risk money-back guarantee. Refive by LifePharm, targeted nutrition for total mind and body balance. Order yours now. LifePharm, a healthy living and sustainable income for everyone.